What's the meaning of apostrophize? Apostrophize. Apostrophize.
Apostrophize. Apostrophize. The term apostrophize means to address someone or something as if they are present and able to respond, often through the use of an apostrophe. The result is a rhetorical device used to add emphasis and emotional appeal to one's speech or writing. By speaking directly to an absent person or object, the speaker or writer is able to create a stronger connection with their intended audience and make their message more engaging and memorable. This technique is often used in poetry, literature, and speeches to add drama and flair to the message being conveyed.